So a quick little video. I've had this power supply now for a little while. It's in this Siglent, yeah, let's get this out of the way, SPD4306X. I've had this for, I don't know, maybe 18 months now, something like that. I did a review on it, and also did a repair because I made a mistake on it once. And something that's been bugging me for ages and it's still not solved. And I believe I mentioned this in the review. Something that bugged me a little bit is the display layout. Because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you look at that in itself, right, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, that's alright. But when you got that in conjunction with the outputs like this, it's kind of off-putting. So what I keep on finding myself doing is looking at channel 3 when I'm trying to do channel 2. Right, channel 1, that kind of makes sense. Channel 4 kind of makes sense. But 2 and 3, 3 is to the left of 2. So 2 is to the left of 3. It's always throwing me off. I mean, it needs a column layout. Right, this layout is, yeah, it's alright, but it needs columns. It needs to have like 1, 2, 3, 4. Because then it's in line with the channels and it's not confusing. I'm constantly making mistakes with this thing. Almost every time I go to use it, because I use it, you know, a couple of times a month. I don't use it a huge amount, right? But when I do go to use it, I get it wrong almost every single time. I'll plug in the channel 2, which is the one I tend to use the most, and I'll come down to channel 3 to change settings. Right? Obviously, you can just like push that and it will go straight to it, right? But I'm always finding myself, I'm doing this one, I keep looking at this point here. I don't look at this one, I'm looking at this one because I'm looking at the one left, you know, left to right. So I'm going left to right. So I always think of channel 2 being this one and channel 3 being that one. You know, it's bugging the hell out of me. 18 months I've had this thing and I'm still getting screwed up by this. It's just frustrating. It's just a simple layout, but the layout always throws you when you go to use it. I mean, it's a really good power supply, I really like it. It's just the screen layout is always messing up what I'm trying to do. The amount of times I've plugged in here and actually had the wrong voltage setting. So I've even looked over here, looked at channel 3, right? I've been, alright, that one there. And I've looked at the voltage settings on here, and luckily I've always had this voltage here lower than this one so far. And I've turned the channel on, and then I was, oh, why is it not working? Because I'm actually using the voltage that's set on this one, not the voltage on that one, because obviously this is channel 2, that's channel 3. But I'm always looking at referencing this channel here. 2 seems to naturally go to that point, and 3 naturally goes to that one because it's left to right. So they need to change this layout to be columns. 4 columns. Just get it in order. Siglent, please change the layout. This is driving me nuts. And I'm sure I'm not the only one.